Day 2 sailing. That's my mommy. It is January 3rd. Oh, she's waving. We're about to go eat breakfast, but real quick. 7:30 a.m. January 3rd, 2022.
Come on outside and do it.
I wonder. Just want to show you guys where we're at. So Baltimore is here, and we are here. Anyway, it's a very gloomy day. I'm afraid to open the door, but that's how it looks outside above the obstructed view. Yeah, I'm afraid to open the door, but we are sailing. Oh my goodness. So me and my mommy got sausage gravy over biscuits, ham, potatoes, and an omelet. Omelet your way. The same thing. Her coffee and the famous, infamous passion fruit guava juice that Carnival has in the mornings. Look at the view. It's gloomy, but it's still beautiful to me. I love it. Love it, I love it. Yeah. Beautiful. So, the food is cold. Everything on this plate is cold. I'm not sure why. The omelet is fine, but I'm not sure why the food is cold.
Boring to me. It's not.
Look how beautiful the midship promenade lobby is. See if I can close up on the beautiful artwork. Look at that. When you walk in on the boat, this is what you see. You just look straight up. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Here's the elevators. Straight up. Look at the detail. And zoom out. Zoom out some more. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that. Here you have the bars. Beautiful place to sit and lounge and chill out. We're trying to find things to do. So far, we can't find anything. Unless you want to spend all your money when you just get here. In that place right there. Nah. My mom thinks that the water is violent. She doesn't. Oh my goodness, we're on the 3rd floor, so we're closer to the water. Looks good to me.
A small boat wouldn't be able to survive this. A yacht.
It looks good to me. We're just closer to the water. It's the boat creating most of these waves.
Over there?
No, they look bad right here because the boat is making the waves.
Oh my goodness.
Goodness gracious. You're not able to go out. Yeah. So they have like the little tape up here that blocks you from going out on the deck. So we were on the third floor, and you can actually hear the wind through the door. But it's wet anyway. Who wants to walk out there anyway? You might slip and fall. Let's walk.
What?
That's a cute little area.
Yeah, you want to hear all that noise in there? Go ahead.
What's this about?
It's yep, screaming wind.
Why are you so scared? Oh, this is beautiful. But Mom, you're fine though. You're inside of a boat. The boat's not even rocking hard.
It's screaming.
Good grief. This is a really pretty, it's like tree artwork. What is this? This is cute. This is cute. You wanna walk down here or go back there? We're gonna walk around the boat.
Is this back to the Follies?
Oh.
It is.
Follies Theater. I'm gonna take a look at Follies.
It's screaming in here.
Oh, goodness gracious. Not bad at all. Really nice. All right, Carnival Legend. Not so bad. It's a smaller boat, but not so bad. I actually can walk from one end to the other without like being really tired of walking.
Okay, where are we going?
We finally found our way back.
Why didn't you film where you set the alarm off?
Oh goodness. Does anybody want a mother? She's for sale.
Pieces!
Oh my gosh. I think we're early.
For $1.
Everything's still locked. They would have the doors open if they were open. I think we're just early. It's 8:44. Everything probably opens at 9.
See, we got like a little cheap necklace. I have to get my necklace. I have it. Forget what was on it. Whatever was on it. It's very small. Oh, the last day, don't they sell the liquor real cheap?
I don't know.
No, I saw that on there. Last day, the liquor's half price.
Oh, he's putting the pictures up. I wish my pictures looked like this. Yeah. We didn't take our pictures for the dinner. It's over here.
I am officially seasick. I don't know what to say. The way we're going through a storm right now. I was just in the theater. It's called Follies Theater. And when me and my mom were walking to the theater, everyone was leaned sideways. I mean, the boat is basically leaning sideways because we're going through a storm right now. I'm leaning on the door. It's open. The door is open. I have it propped open with the table right here. And My head is, I can do this right. I'm just leaning over to get some air. I'm about to throw up. I am. And I don't want to. I am so sick. I'm so sick. It's bad. It's bad. I'm trying to hold my breakfast down right now. I'm trying not to throw up. I'm trying.
Canceled in the U.S. yesterday, and more than 1,000 are already canceled for today. Well, as
Today we need some music to do a warm-up because we're going to use all our body, okay? So first we're going to move our head side to side. Yes. You guys want to know how to dance salsa? Yes? Hey. And that's it? Okay, so we're going to do 8 of this and then we're going to do a sexy pose. Whatever you want, like
I need room for my sexy
like
pose.
that. Baby step. Baby step, baby step. Move your shoulder. Hey, arms, yeah. There, you got it. Ready for a sexy pose? Okay, we got that. Like that, yeah. As you choose. Let's choose a sexy pose.
Come on, mommy.
Ready?
Okay, so I had fun today. It is 1:15 and I'm kind of over it for right now. It's not warm. It's supposed to be 80 today and it doesn't feel like 80 at all. I'm not too upset. I wish it was 80 because I really want to get into the water, you know, the water slides and all that. I want to be over there in the water right now. I want to get ready for tomorrow for Nassau. So hopefully it warms up. But it is really cool. Like the wind is making it cool. So we got our room cleaned. Our room was cleaned between 9 and 1. And look, what is this? It looks like a frog. So hi frog. Yeah. Then I got some tacos from Blue Iguana. They're really good. I love the watermelon salsa. I think it's called watermelon salsa. I love the watermelon salsa. So I always put that on my tacos. And I'm so glad I got it because it was yummy. And I got me some, like a fruit salad. Mainly watermelon though. Watermelon's my friend. Yeah, so I'm going to keep eating light. I was going to go hard since this is like, you know, Carnival has some good food and, you know, stuff that I can't afford when I get home. You know, all the steak and lobster. I want to dive in and get what I can't afford. I just want to relax right now. I do. I just want to lay back and probably finish off this green apple from yesterday too. I got 2, so I'm going to eat some fruit right now and get my belly ready for dinner. Alrighty.